great shuffle there from Charlene. My love, I want you to imagine that these little bits of blank paper are like printer paper, all right? And we're going to create a carbon copy of any card that you select in this pack. So what I want you to do is, again, shuffled, say stop whenever you want, okay? No stopping the cards.
Stop.
You want to stop there or more?
No, stop there.
Wow, all right. Now, Charlene chose the King of Hearts, Suicide King. Right? I'm going to place him here in the center and take this bit of printer paper, and let's do it down lower here. Take this bit of printer paper, and watch this. We're going to create a copy as this King of Hearts goes in. And then what we've got is a copy here. There's the King of Hearts. All right. Pretty good, right? Look at
Yeah.
not a double. But look, the back's not printed. So we got to fix that. So I'm going to take that king and put him here in the middle. And watch. Now, he's had a chance to kind of rub against that red card. And so now, look, he's actually got it back. Now that is really, really good, right?
Yes.
Come on, that's really good.